session time. As I record this, it's morning. It's about 5:15, Friday morning. I know you could be watching this at any time. I'm Ron Ramsden, a DYB coach, also painting contractor up here in New England. What's a jam session? We've talked about it before. A jam session is when you can concentrate on 1, 2, or 3 items without any outside disturbances. My dogs are in the other room. The door is shut. I get up in the morning, I have my coffee, I exercise. I'm sitting here having my water. Got to drink your water in the morning. And I'm concentrating on 3 things. This morning, my 3 things are with no other disturbances, no Facebook, unless I'm loading subject matter into Facebook, is this morning I am reviewing my insurance paperwork. I want to see if I can save any money. So I've gotten all my insurance paperwork off to a side. I want to check coverages, get that out of the way so I don't have to worry about that for about 6 months. I'm also following up on 6 estimates I have that I gave last week, and I haven't heard either yay or nay on, so we're going to touch base with them through emails. But I'm actually not going to send them right away. I'm going to send them through Banana Tag. If you're not familiar with Banana Tag, you can actually delay and schedule when the emails go out, because if you send them too early in the morning, sometimes they get buried in the newer emails that come out. So about 8:15, I'm going to have these sent over. People should be in their offices or should be awake and about by then. And so that's what we're using Banana Tag also to. And then I am scheduling out my Facebook posts for the week for my business. And the reason for that is I find myself, if I'm on Facebook during the week, I kind of go down those rabbit holes. I think we all have. We start watching videos. We start seeing what other people are doing. This way I can concentrate. I can take the pictures that my crew have sent me over the week. I've taken. I can either write up a little blurb, load a video. If I don't have anything, I'll go to the Benjamin Moore or some of the other paint sites, borrow some videos from them and schedule along, so we do have some relevant content. All this, I'll get all this done in about 45 minutes. If I did this during the course of the day, I would hope to get it done. Like I said, I'd probably go down some rabbit holes, but at least this, I can head off to the job site to go visit the guys, go do an estimate or something else, and all this is behind me and I don't have to worry about it. Years ago, I used to get off, feet on the bed, hit the floor, and I'd be running. You know, grab a bite to eat and then head out, and then wonder why all these estimates weren't getting done. I'd always have, oh, I got to catch up on this, I got to catch up on this. I get up a little earlier, get my exercise in. I exercise, try about 4 times a week, and then I sit down in my jam session. My wife even knows when the door is shut, I'm in a jam session. So, no music. We don't have TVs playing. We're not watching Facebook or any other kind of social media. We're getting down and dirty and getting it done. That is a jam session. So if you do jam sessions, please let us know what you get done. How long is your jam session? Please put it in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. If you have any questions, you can reach me at ron@dybcoach.com. You can find me on Facebook. I'm on social media. Just send me a message. I'd love to hook up. We can either grab a chat on the phone, or we can message each other through Messenger. Anyways, I'm Ron Ramsden. I got to get back to work. It is my jam session, and I interrupted it to tell you what I was doing. Have a great day, and go get 'em.